me ask the question for you this time.
Okay.
What's something that's never missing in our projects?
Our love.
Yeah, straight off the bat.
For the design.
Of course, yeah. No, that's immediate.
Because that's
immediate.
something we enjoy.
Yeah.
The design process is something we enjoy. We like to be there. Design is something nice for all our clients. It's not something that we were discussing today in the car as well. It's not something that we just like do in the way that people usually do it. But I would say like we try to put our love in the designs to bring something more for the clients, something that makes sense, that will make them happy, that every day when they wake up, they want to be there in that environment. They want to feel alive, like something that bring them up.
And not everybody loves having clients around all the time while they're designing their project or while they're building their project. I actually love having my clients around me all the time because I constantly get feedback from them. I love working with my clients. Some people in our business actually want to be a little bit hands-off. I'm the opposite. I actually love working with my clients. It's one of the areas that I really, really enjoy.